Hello everyone, I hope I am audible. Welcome back to Mathematics Paper 2, lecture number 2 of your topic similarity. And let me share my screen and jump to question number 1. But before that, what we have completed, let me quickly revise that. Let me select a pen. Purple color दिख रहा है किसी को? Because it's one of my favorite. Can it be a bit light? ठीक है, it's good. Never mind. So ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. So if areas of two triangles, then this points you have completed just for you all to revise. Areas of two triangles with equal height, so bases corresponding, मतलब अगर height equal है तो b1 upon b2 आएगा, उसके कहने का मतलब है if areas of with equal base and proportional to their height, मतलब ये h1 upon h2 का केस है, and the ratio of areas of triangle equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height, मतलब ये normal case है, that is b1 h1 upon b2 h2. ठीक है, so these are the three cases. On base of that, we are having practice set 1.1 का question number 1, that if base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5, base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6, then find the ratio of areas of this triangle. So the question is extremely easy. Let's proceed with the solution part. In this case, let b1 comma b2 be the base of two triangles h1 and h2 be the height of two triangles, height of two triangles with area a1 and a2. So now you are very clear with the assumptions. Since the figure is not given, तुमको ये करना ही पड़ने वाला था, ठीक है? So it's better कि have the habit of mentioning things, ठीक है? Now, uh, what is given? Base of triangle. So b1 is equal to 9. Height of the triangle. So h1 is equal to 5. Base of another triangle, but the b2 is equal to 10. And height of the other triangle is 6. So h2 is equal to 6. Okay. So let me go down a bit. And what they have told, find the areas of this ratio of areas of this two triangles. So here nothing is equal. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to, so you can write a1 upon a2, even that is fine, I don't mind. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2, which is equal to b1 is equal to 9 into h1 is equal to 5. Here is going to be 10 into 6. पहला मल्टीप्लाई करो फिर रिड्यूस करो, दो भी मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, या इधर से रिड्यूस करो, देन ऑल्सो आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है? So I'll multiply this as 5 nines are 45 and 10 six are 60. It goes in the table of 5. 5 nines are, and if I get table में जाता है 5 tens are 50 है ना? तो सोचो किसमें जाएगा वो? Think and tell me. Come on. अच्छा, I forgot to switch off my video. Please keep on reminding me if I forget to switch off my video. Okay. So 65 के टेबल में जाएगा कि नहीं? Come on, hurry up. Be fast. Be quick. And if you are jumbled over here, just recollect. अगर तुम लोग को इधर प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, I don't know what's wrong with the app now. It's again hanging. I don't know. So अगर तुमको इसमें ही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है ना, so see to it that कि all are quite sure कि तुमको क्या करना है. इधर ही सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. The best I would say. ठीक है? So it would be 3 upon 4. Answer would be 3 upon 4. So here it would be 12 5 60 होता है ना? Just check. My God. 2 5 are 10, 1 carry over, 5 1 are 5, 60. So here it's going to be 12. So इधर आ जाएगा 9 by 12, which is equal to 3 by 4. समझा? So what is the final answer? Is this the final answer? No, they told me find the ratio. So here it's going to be the ratio of areas of two triangles, the ratio of areas of two triangles, the ratio of areas of two triangles is 3:4. Mind you 3:4 लिखना, 3/4 का कुछ मतलब नहीं होएगा. Since ratio form में पूछा है, so this is the ratio form and this is your final answer statement. I hope you have no question in the first sum. So please copy it. So if you are done with the first question, we'll go ahead with the second part. This question is easy, right? Even second question is easy. In the figure, BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Then find area. Okay. So see, let me start with the solution. I don't know, that is not working. Okay, solution. चल रहा है. So फाइंड क्या करना है, दिया हुआ है सोल्यूशन में मुझे. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द गिवन BC इज इक्वल टू 4, AD इज इक्वल टू 8. ये गिवन है, ठीक है. so given, then if you look, triangle ABC and ADB, ABC and ADB, ये देखो ABC and ADB, ठीक है. so if you look in the figure, triangle ABC, triangle ABC, and what is the second triangle? It is ADB. Triangle ABC and triangle ADB have same base AB. Have same base AB. ठीक है, base same है दोनों का. Do you agree? Now areas of triangles with same base are proportional to what? मतलब हम लोग ने वो केस डिस्कस किया था ना, अगर B1 इक्वल टू B2 है तो A1 अपॉन A2 क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज गोइंग टू बी H1 अपॉन H2. Am I right? So it's going to be height upon height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle क्या है वो? ADB. दोनों का बेस सेम है तो वो हो जाएगा हाइट अपॉन हाइट. सो व्हाट इज द हाइट? इट इज नथिंग बट BC अपॉन AD. ठीक है, हाइट आराम से तुम लोग देख सकते हैं. सो हियर इट्स नथिंग बट वैल्यूज तो दिया हुआ है. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी 4 अपॉन 8 which is equal to 4 upon 8 which is equal to 1 upon 2. ठीक है. So therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 by 2. I hope the question is clear to you all. ठीक है. So please copy down this question and we'll start with third question. So we are done with the question 2. So let's start with question 3. In the adjoining figure, PS is perpendicular to RQ, QT is perpendicular to PR, RQ given to me is 6, PS given to me is 6, PR given to me is 12, and they are telling me find QT. Okay, so the question is very cute since it has lot of QTs, and let's start solving. I don't know what's going on. Okay, chalo. So solution start karte hain. Always see to it you start with the given part since you have a certain support. So RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, and PR is equal to 12. Okay, so let this be your given part. Find करना है अपने को QT, एंड QT कैसा फाइंड कर पाएंगे सिंस अभी तक तो हमने एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का. तो लेट्स यूज दैट ओनली कॉन्सेप्ट. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. ठीक है, तो let us take area of triangle PQR it is equal to half into its base. What is its base? It is QR into what is its height? It's PS. Now solve for that. So therefore area of triangle PQR is equal to half into what is the base. QR का वैल्यू क्या दिया हुआ है 6 है into what is PS का वैल्यू वो भी 6 है. So reduce कर लो 2 ones are 2 threes are. So here it is going to be area of triangle PQR is equal to what is 3 into 6? It is 18. तो इधर आ गया 18 square units. चलो इधर तक तो गाड़ी पहुंच गई, बट सर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकाल के मिला क्या? अच्छा गिवन से हम लोग ने अभी तक क्या क्या यूज किया? क्यूआर का वैल्यू यूज कर लिया, पीएस का वैल्यू यूज कर दिया. व्हाट अबाउट दैट इनोसेंट पीआर? वो पीआर के साथ क्या करेगा? सो नाउ अगेन लुक एट द ट्रायंगल पीक्यूआर अगेन वापस ऑल्सो area of triangle PQR. Again, it was going to be base into height. So QR के बदले now can I write PR QR? ये देखो QR के बदले अभी मैं लिख रहा है PR sorry PQR. So now here is going to be PR and QT. PR and QT. So also area of triangle is half into PR into QT. This question is very easy. So it's going to be half into PR का value is 12 into QT. So if you want QT बेसिकली कैसा है पता है क्या? हम लोग ने एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल पीक्यू और उसी के लिए निकाला सो दैट हियर आई हैव 18. ठीक है, तो नाउ सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. 2 ones are and 2 six are, so 18 is equal to 6 into QT. So basically QT is equal to 18 upon 6, which is equal to 2 nines are and 2 threes are, which is equal to 3 threes are and 3 ones are. And therefore what is the started? ये क्या चालू हो गया? Therefore QT is equal to 3 upon 1, that is 3. And have they given centimeter or anything? No. So here it's going to be Q3. QT is equal to 3. Okay. And if you want to play a bit safe, what you can do, you can just mark this as equation number 1 and here you can write from 1. So that marks काटने का chances null हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Hope you have understood this question. This question is easy. Like whatever we have studied, वही concepts हम लोग apply कर रहे हैं. Nothing else. No hard and fast. Then let's go for question number 4. Before I proceed to question number 4, you please copy down this question. Come on. Hope you have completed writing. Let's go for question number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC. If AD is parallel to BC, then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. So indirectly तुमको क्या find करने को बोल रहा है? They are asking you to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD. ये पूछ रहा है तुमको. ठीक है, it's nothing new, it's nearly the same concept. ठीक है, so ये पूछ रहा है. Now if you see triangle ABC, ठीक है, let's go to the solution. If you look at triangle ABC and if you look at triangle BCD and if you look at triangle BCD, ठीक है, they both have same base BC, have same base BC. ठीक है, also the vertices, if you check vertices of ABC and BCD lie on the same parallel line या lie on the parallel line AD and BC. मतलब उनके बीच का जो distance है, जो लाइन पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में अगर दो ट्रायंगल, आई होप यू नो दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट एंड इट्स हाई टाइम, इफ यू डोंट नो कीप इट अ नोट, प्लीज ये बात याद रखना. सो आई लेट मी ऐड दिस पॉइंट इन प्री रिक्विजिट वाला लेक्चर सिंस आई डोंट वांट एनीवन कंप्लेनिंग लेटर कि सर ने बताया नहीं. ठीक है, सो लेट मी जस्ट ऐड, प्लीज 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 यू कीप अ नोट ऑफ इट. नोट, if two triangles are formed under parallel line. Their heights are equal. Ninth में पढ़ा था. Their heights are equal. Their heights are equal. ठीक है. So let's go to this. So shall I write that explanation for you? So the vertices of triangle ABC and BCD of triangle ABC and triangle BCD lie on the parallel lines, AD and BC. AD and BC. Therefore, their heights are equal. Therefore, height of the triangles are equal. Therefore, the height of both triangles are equal. Therefore, height of both triangles are equal. ठीक है. इधर से कुछ भी डाउट है? Now since triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same height and same base, same base and equal height. ऐसा लिखना चाहिए. Same base and equal height. Same base and equal height. The ratio of the triangle is going to be 1. It simply means that area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle BCD, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 upon 1, and we were asked in form of is 2. So area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 is to 1, and this is your answer. I hope you have understood this question and there is no query. If you are having any doubts, please feel free to put it in the comment section. So just copy it and then we will go for question number 5th. Okay? Question number 5th is extremely easy. Shall I go ahead? Okay. So here is question number 5th. Purposely I am not going to OneNote, since इधर ही पहले समझा देता हूँ, then I can carry forward in OneNote. Never mind. If you look at the first case, now look the triangle one by one. एक साथ सब कुछ मत देखो, go step by step. First of all, have attention on PQB. ये पॉइंट, ये PQB पे ध्यान दो. PQB, focus on this 3 points, मतलब ये triangle, and PBC, B किधर है? B और ये C. ठीक है. So it's very easy. PQB, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PQC is equal to, in this particular triangle they both have, ये triangle देखो and ये triangle देखो, उनका height same है, that is PQ. They both have same height PQ. So basically here they have same height PQ. So इनका ये हो जाएगा base upon base, which is equal to, उनका base क्या है? Base है QB and BC. ठीक है. So your answer is QB upon BC. Next question. PBC देखो, PBC and ABC. PBC and ABC. ये देखो, PBC, BC and ABC. Though they both have common base BC. So area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. since they have common base, they have a common base, उनका आ जाएगा h1 upon h2, that is height upon height, which is equal to pq upon ad, that is equal to nothing but pq upon ad. ठीक है, ये हो गया pq upon ad. Go to third question. ABC and ADC. ABC and ADC. They both have a common base. नहीं, ABC and ADC ना, ABC ये वाला ABC and ADC. Does they have anything in common? They have a height common, same height. So basically they have same height, that is AD. So here it's going to be base upon base, B1 upon B2, which is going to be BC upon DC if I'm not wrong. Then coming to the fourth and the last question, इसमें कुछ भी common नहीं है, तो it is going to be DC into AD upon QC into PQ. ठीक है? So this was the rough explanation part from my side. Now we'll just encounter the same question in one note. Okay, just let me write. I'm not drawing the figure now for fifth question, or do you all want me to do so? Okay, wait, I'll just draw the figure. Give me a moment. Okay, so I'll just pasted the question and I hope there is no confusion prevailing. So I'll just write the explanation and we are done with this question. Okay, so let's start. Give me a second. Let us scroll down a bit and I hope now it's very clear. ठीक है, चलो. So in the first part, uh, PQB and PBC, triangle PQB and triangle PBC have same height, have same height, have same height PQ. ठीक है. Areas of triangle with equal height are proportional to their corresponding bases. Therefore, रेशियो क्या आ जाएगा, therefore area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equal to base upon base, so B1 upon B2. If you are confused with that capital B, I'll just write small notation because in the prerequisite lecture मैंने small b use किया था, so it is nothing but क्या आ जाएगा, उनका base क्या है, so it's QB upon BC. So this is the first part. Now second part. PBC and ABC. PBC and ABC. They have a common base BC. So triangle PBC and triangle ABC have a common base, have a common base BC. ठीक है. Therefore उनका ये क्या हो जाएगा, therefore area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC, it is going to be, बोलो क्या आएगा, it is going to be base equal है तो height upon height, तो h1 upon h2, isn't it? So h1 upon h2, height क्या है दोनों triangle का, it is pq upon ad, if I am not wrong. Please keep on cross checking my answers as well, even I tend to make error. Okay, third, what I have been asked in third, that is abc and adc. So triangle abc and triangle adc have same height AD, have same height AD, have same height AD. Since they have same height, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, area of triangle ABC. So sorry for the disturbance. I don't know suddenly किधर से इतना आवाज आ रहा है, but जाने दो. Focus on the content. ABC, which is equal to ABC and ADC height. इक्वल है तो बेस कॉमन हो जाए, मतलब बेस आ जाएगा BC अपॉन DC. And with this, proceeding towards the last part, that is ADC and PQC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQC. ठीक है, PQC. Let me write neatly. Triangle PQC. I guess it's nearly 30 minutes, so we'll wind up quickly now. ये क्या आ जाएगा? DC into AD. Since nothing is common, and इधर आ जाएगा QC into PQ. Since there is nothing common. ठीक है, so with this we have completed the fifth question of this exercise as well. That's all from my side today. Let's check और कुछ बचा है क्या? No, इसके बाद एक next lecture में there is a very very important theorem that we are going to study. Okay, so be prepared with this much of part. इतना जो हुआ है वो prepare रखो. Hope these two lectures are very the smooth. These two lectures went very smoothly for you. It's totally based on prerequisites, and on that basis of prerequisites, we are having questions that we have solved. ठीक है? Next class we'll be meeting with a very important theorem known as basic proportionality theorem and few of the concepts on which our exercise 1.2 is based. Okay. So this much only from my side today. Bye bye. Take care and have a good day. Bye.